I got another very unique knife over here. Scope of their application. The best or nothing knives. Whatever. Don't really know nothing about this brand. But let me show you this design. So unique. Comes with this holster. So first of all, we got right here pretty cool funky blade style. Looks like a mini sword. And then there's a rope cutter. Sharpened on one edge from here, which is cool, feels kind of sharp. Looks like bottle openers over here, but what's so special is right here. You pull this out and then flip this over kind of a halfway, and then this gonna lock in into here, and then it's going to kick it like that. What it looks like now is a little like a cutting board over here, so you can cut carrots or whatever, celery. I have put to the test similar thing like that, and it was actual kitchen knife, scissors, and it would be cutting board connected to the knife. So this one is a little bit more, looks like a camping knife, less much of the kitchen knife, and also it has bunch of gears. Very unique. So I didn't have any carrots, but I have green beans, and check this out. You could really slice it up. It's kind of funny. You see what I'm saying? Let me show you different view right here. Especially if you heat it, not go slow. I guess both works. This is just fun. Okay, two at the same time. Let me adjust. A little bit wiggly over here, but that's okay. Just a funny knife with the cutting board over here. So unique. What would you use it for? For, I guess, slicing and dicing a bunch of, I don't know, carrots and vegetables. So whenever you're done, you pull this up, release it, and fold this up. Boom. All the way out here. Very unique. And then you have a regular knife again. It has a skull on it on this side. Kind of fun. So yeah, other than the kitchen gadget scissor knife with the cutting board installed on it, this one is way cooler because you can fold it up and have it as a regular knife. Kind of dull knife. But at the same time, I like it for its unique design right here, like a scissor board. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this thing.